Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you what is in my travel diaper bag. So we recently went on a trip. We flew via airplane to Arizona. This is the bag I took and it worked beautifully. So I thought I would quickly show you how I have it packed up for traveling with my 3 kids. Ages are 8, 4, and 1.5. So let's take a look inside. So right on the outside of the bag, I have my water bottle. When we travel, I always take these Brita water bottles because we can fill them up anywhere and it will filter the water. On the other side of the bag, I have some trash bags hanging and then a sunscreen. Obviously, I couldn't take this on the plane. I bought that once we got to our destination. Then in this front zipper, I have nothing. In here, I have quite a few things. Actually, that's one of the nice things about this bag is it has a really nice roomy front pocket. So I have my sunglasses. I have a leash that I can attach to my baby's cup or toy or snack catcher so that he can't chuck it. I have a folding hairbrush. This is a Jujube small set piece, and this is just packed with essentials for me. So I have some gum, my loop earbuds, a tinted chapstick, lip gloss, hair clip, some lotion, and some chapstick in there. And then this, I've shown this before, I carry a little potty kit with me. So I have some Post-its so that I can cover the automatic sensor. I have soap sheets, flushable wipes, Purell hand sanitizer wipes, and some toilet seat covers. Then in here I have my phone and I have a Wally case attached. This is my favorite case. I can loop my finger through, and then I can also just leave my bag with my husband and just grab my phone and have my credit card and ID with me. And then over here I have my wallet, which is just a Mina Bay card holder. Attached to the key leash, I have my AirPods, and then in this back zipper pocket, I have some lens wipes, feminine products, and then I have travel scissors, Tide to Go pen, regular pen, and Sharpie packed in there. Moving on to the main compartment. I love how this just folds down and you can see everything super easy. So in here I have a collapsible snack catcher that I can put either leftover fries or snacks in when we're on the go. I have a swaddle blanket up here. I have 2 Jujube large set pieces. In the first one I have this fully loaded with snacks. In the second one I have diapers, a disposable change pad, and a travel pack of wipes. And then I have 2 medium set pieces. This one I have restaurant essentials. So I have a gather bib, and then in a small bunkin snack bag I have utensils, a straw topper, an extra bib, and some scissors to cut up my son's food if we're at a restaurant. And then in the second medium set piece I have all first aid essentials. So diaper cream, anti-bug stick, more chapstick, Tums, thermometer, boo-boo, cream, all things like that for any on-the-go emergencies. Then in the Zealous you get 2 front pockets here, 2 pockets here, and then a back pocket. So in this front pocket I have some antibacterial hand wipes, some Clorox disinfecting wipes, and my mask. In this pocket I have a portable charger, a wet bag, and some hand sanitizer. Then in this back area I have 2 boogie boards for entertainment purposes. I have 3, 1 for each kid, little pullback cars. These are from Target. And then in the back here I have an Erin Condren case with some play packs in it. I have an empty pad of doodle paper and some colored pencils. Then last but not least, in this front section here, this is a tech pocket, which my camera does fit in, which is great, but I have some more activities for the kiddos. I have a little stasher bag of Brain Flakes and a little stasher bag of Plus Cubes. So that is it. That is everything I carry on the plane, and it was perfect. My older 2 also had backpacks with stuff in it, but honestly I really think they would have just been fine with their tablets and we could have done great with this. When we're out adventuring, my camera does fit in here, and so does my little mini tripod that I brought with us. So it really is the perfect bag for family vacations. So I'm going to speed it up and let you watch me pack it back up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.